Okay, so now I'm going to simulate high level reach at that tank. So first I'm going to start the system. I'm going to put it in auto. Okay, so now it's in auto. It's going to start up now. So I'm just going to wait for it to go to full speed on both the low pressure and the high pressure pump. Just wait for that. Running now, the high pressure pump has started, as you can see on that. Flash valve is also closed. And it's going to go up to full speed. Full speed, I'm just going to run it for a couple of seconds. Okay, now I'm going to trigger the high level alarm in the reservoir. Okay, please trigger the alarm. Now the level is full, so that thing is going to float upside down. And now the system needs to shut down on this side. See? Full. So this is going down. Down. Okay, so the system is almost down. It's still full. Okay.